Hey guys, hello. Today I'm just going to help you understand how you can turn the automated extensions off, and these can be annoying and could be for different reasons like compliance or you just want more control. I usually do it because I want more control over how my ad copies are being seen. So the way you do that is first ensure that you are in the overview section, like you're not inside of any campaigns or whatever. So go to the overview section at the top here, and then after that click on ads and extensions, and you will be presented with three options: add assets, and the bottom you will see extensions. So click on the extensions, and here you will probably like have this view, which is the default view called as summary view. So you'll have to come up at the top here and click on tabular view, so that now you can see the extensions in tabular format. Again, here oftentimes this is the default option, which is associations view. Just click on make sure that you are in the extensions view, and then at the top here, this is where you will see all the different extension options that you are probably currently running. So now just click on automated extensions just to ensure that you're not running any automated extensions. But if you are, you know and even let's assume that even if you're not having any automated extensions now, but if you want to disable those extensions for future, for whatever reasons, as I said, compliance, or simply if you want more control. So now the option is like, if you go on like so, oh, so click on the automated extensions, um, and once you're in this view, click on more, and now you should see this advanced option. So if you are in this view, you may not see this option. So you have to click on all this button here and go to automated extensions first, and after that click on advanced options. Now you'll see this is where you can turn it off. So right now it's turned on. So we'll click on turn off specific automated extensions. Unfortunately, there's no way to select all. I wish that there was an option which would have made my life much more easier. But yeah, unfortunately we don't have that option. So let's say if you just want to turn off any dynamic links being selected, you can simply say whatever reasons like compliance, you're concerned about performance. Usually this is my reason is to have more control, and then you can select turn off. Now what you can do is you can turn others one by others other extensions off one by one as well. So let's say if you don't want any dynamic call out, again you can select more control, you turn it off. So you can go like you know one by one and make sure that everything is turned off. So you just turn off every single thing that is there. So we have total control over how our ads are being seen. Now automated location extensions, if you're a local business, you may want that, but I'm just right now just assuming I don't want anything that is so click on done, and now everything is turned off.